Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to Laksha Academy. But this is the part 20 of chemical coordination and integration. Okay, in this part, the topic is testes, which are the male reproductive organs. We will learn more about that in the next lesson, human reproduction in NCERT 12. Let us talk about testes. What is given, the matter related to testes that is given in NCERT textbook. Let's get started. Testes, how many are there? A pair of testes is present. Let me change color. How many testes are present? A pair of testes are present. Where are they present? They are present in the scrotal sac outside the abdomen in the male individuals. In the 10th standard, you learned testes in the endocrine system. How many testes are present? A pair. Where are they present? They are present in the scrotal sac outside the abdomen. Okay, you can see here, this is the scrotum. This is the scrotal sac in which testis is present. Testicle, otherwise called. Okay, testis performs a dual functions. Dual functions, two functions. One, it acts as a, you have dual SIM card mobile phones. You can use two SIM cards at a time. Testis performing dual functions. One, it acts as a primary sex organ in males, and next one as an endocrine gland. It can also act as a endocrine gland. What are the two functions of testis? It acts as a primary sex organ and it also acts as an endocrine organ. As it is acting as endocrine organ, it is capable of producing hormones, and as a primary sex organ, it can produce the gametes. Testis is composed of, if you see the structure of testis, inside the testis there are seminiferous tubules are present. Okay, this is the longitudinal section, transverse section of, longitudinal section of testis, LS of testis. If you look at the testis consists of large number of seminiferous tubules, nearly 250 to 750 seminiferous tubules are present in each testis. Okay, this is one seminiferous tubule. Okay, what is present in the seminiferous testis? It is composed of seminiferous tubules. And it also consists of stromal or interstitial tissue. It is composed of seminiferous tubules and stromal or interstitial tissue. I will show you that one. Okay, this is the seminiferous tubule. You can see the structure of seminiferous tubule. This entire part is one seminiferous tubule. Okay, this marked one with red. Outside this red color part, you can see here this red color part. Okay, this part pink color, or we can say, okay, this part is that is called interstitial tissue or stromal tissue, which consists of interstitial cells. Okay, here it is composed of two things. One is seminiferous tubules where sperms are formed. The another one is called stromal tissue or interstitial tissue. The Leydig cells or interstitial cells, which I have shown you, which are present in the intertubular spaces and produce a group of hormones called androgens. The main androgen is testosterone. This is the 2 marks question. Okay, what are male sex hormone? What is the main male sex hormone? That is called testosterone. Testosterone is produced by Leydig cells. That is the 2 marks, 8th 2 marks question. Okay, Leydig cells are interstitial cells which are present in the intertubular spaces. Intertubular, that means in between the seminiferous tubule, these cells are present. What do they produce? A group of hormones called androgen. The chief androgen, the main androgen is testosterone. Okay, what we learned in this slide? Okay, how many testes are there? Where are they? Okay, what is the dual role of testes? What are present inside the testes? Seminiferous tubules, and outside the seminiferous tubule there is a tissue called stromal tissue, otherwise called interstitial tissue. In the interstitial tissue, there are interstitial cells are present, otherwise called Leydig cells or Leydig cells of interstitial tissue, which produce androgen. The chief androgen is testosterone. Okay, next, androgens. What are the functions of androgens? Androgens regulate development, maturation, and functions of the male accessory sex organs. Androgens regulate the development, maturation, and functioning of male accessory sex organs. Accessory sex organ, not primary sex. Primary sex organs are testes. Testes producing androgen. The androgen regulating the development, maturation, and functioning of male accessory sex organ. What are they? Epididymis, vas deferens, seminal vesicle. This is one of the male accessory reproductive gland. Prostate gland, urethra. The function, maturation, and development of these organs. Okay, what are they? Male accessory sex organs is regulated by androgen. You can see here epididymis, vas deferens, urethra. Okay, these are the some of organs, accessory sex organs of males. The hormones stimulate the muscular growth and the growth of facial hair. Okay, mustache and beard. Facial, axillary hair, development of hair in the armpits, and aggressiveness, and low pitch voice in the males. Okay, muscular growth in males, growth of facial hair, axillary hair, aggressiveness, low pitch voice. Androgens play a major stimulatory role in the process of spermatogenesis. Is also stimulated by androgens. For what is meant by spermatogenesis? Formation of sperms or spermatozoa is called spermatogenesis. Androgens act on central nervous system. Androgens act on CNS, central nervous system, that means brain and spinal cord, and influence the male sexual behavior. Libido, we call it libido, is also controlled by androgens. Okay, these hormones produce anabolic synthetic effects. They are involved in protein synthesis and carbohydrate metabolism. Okay, mainly, okay, anabolism, anabolism and catabolism together we call these hormones produce anabolic effects on protein and carbohydrate metabolism. Here, proteins are synthesized from amino acids. Next, what is given in the state test book about the testes in AP textbook zoology? Okay, the testes are called male gonadal glands. Female gonadal glands are ovaries. Testes are the male gonads, ovaries are the female gonads. Each testis is located in a scrotal sac outside the abdomen. Testis is a cytogenic organ because which is producing cytology, study of cells, which is capable of producing sperm cells, and it produces both sperms as well as sex hormones. The Leydig cells are interstitial cells of Leydig lie in the interseminiferous tubule spaces. That means the space present between the seminiferous tubule is called interseminiferous tubule space. What do they produce? Androgen, the chief androgen, testosterone, and male sex hormones are required for the development, maturation, and functioning of the male accessory sex organ, epididymis, vas deferens, seminal vesicle, prostate gland, urethra, etc. These hormones control the muscle growth, growth of facial, axillary hair, aggressiveness, low pitch voice, the masculine voice, etc. Androgens stimulate the process of spermatogenesis. Androgens stimulate the process of spermatogenesis. Androgens stimulate the process of spermatogenesis. Androgens affect the central nervous system, controlling the male sexual behavior, libido, sex drive, sexual urge. Also have an effect on protein and carbohydrate anabolism, synthesis of carbohydrate, synthesis of proteins. Androgens are also called anabolic steroids. Androgens are also called anabolic steroid because they are involved in anabolism. Okay, that's about testis. Okay, you learnt in this part 20 about testis. You have 1 2 marks and 1 4 marks from this topic.